Yoga friends! Before we jump into today's exciting yoga practice, don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe so you can be part of all our yoga journeys. We've prepared lots of fun poses and games just for you. Ready? Let's begin! Sit comfortably. Cross your leg. Place your hands on your knees. Take a deep breath. This is easy pose. Well done! Easy pose helps us feel calm and ready to begin. Step your feet apart. Reach one arm down and the other up. Stretch to the side like a triangle. Excellent! Triangle pose makes our body open and strong. Sit with legs straight. Bend forward and reach toward your toes. Great work! You stretch long and seated forward bend. Sit with the soles feet together. Let your knees fall to the sides like butterfly wings. Well done! Bound angle pose opens the hips and feels nice. Lie on your tummy. Place hands under shoulders and lift your chest up like a cobra. Great! Cobra Pose makes your back strong and open. Lie on your tummy. Place your forearms on the mat and lift your chest gently. Wonderful! Sphinx Pose is gentle and helps us relax the back. Kneel on the mat. Place your hands on your hips and gently lean back like a camel. Well done! Camel Pose opens the chest and makes us brave. Come onto your hands and toes. Keep your body straight like a plank. Great job! Plank pose makes us strong and steady. From plank, turn to one side, balancing on one hand and foot. Lift your other arm up. Awesome! Side plank makes your arms and core strong. On hands and knees, round your back like a cat. Now lift your chest like a cow. Let's move gently. Great work! Cat-cow warms up the spine and makes us feel flexible. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, reach your arms forward, and rest like a cozy child. Good work! Child's pose helps your body rest, stretches your back, and makes your mind feel calm. Place your hands and feet on the mat. Lift your hips high and make an upside-down V shape. Wonderful! Downward dog stretches your whole body, wakes you up, and helps your mind feel clear. Place your hands and feet on the mat. Lift your hips high like an upside-down V. Then slowly raise one leg up and balance. Great! Three-legged dog helps you feel strong and focused. Stand tall, place one foot on your other leg, bring your hands together, and balance like a strong tree. Great work! Tree pose improves balance, builds focus, and helps you feel calm and steady. Lie flat on your back, arms by your sides, eyes closed. Be still like a sleeping star. Excellent! Cobra Pose helps us rest fully and end our yoga practice. Great job, yoga friends! You did amazing today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this with your friends so they can join the fun too. Take a deep breath, smile, and I will see you in the next session. Bye-bye!